Hey guys, welcome back. It's Project.estl, and today we have a surprise guest.
For our community service project, we created healthier versions of recipes in order to promote affordable, healthy eating to lower income children. We made these recipes more nutritious by substituting unhealthy ingredients with healthier ones. One recipe we taught during our classes in particular was yogurt parfaits. This snack is rich in probiotics, which help support digestion and improve gut health, and is a great source of protein, calcium, and fiber.
To make this recipe with the serving size of about 5 people, you will need any fruit you want, but we used about 10 strawberries and a small pack of blueberries, a tub of low-sugar Greek vanilla yogurt, a can of whipped cream, and about 2 cups of granola. First, you need to wash and dice the blueberries and strawberries. Then, in your cup of choice, you will place about 4 spoonfuls of yogurt, followed by as much fruit and granola as desired. You will repeat this until the cup is full. Lastly, if wanted, you can place whipped cream on top and even top it off with more fruit. This recipe is perfect as a snack or even as something to eat during breakfast.
Thank you so much, Cultural.Kitchen, for sharing your recipes and your mission. We appreciate you. Now we're going to be showing you guys how to search up recipes on your own. So a way to find a recipe online is to just use a safe web browser such as Google or Safari. You're going to type in your search bar and you're just type in the phrase recipes, and what pops up usually is just a bunch of recipes with a lot of instructions. And really an advantage of this is that most of them are all free and they have really easy and clear instructions. However, if you're looking for something more specific, when typing into the search bar, you may want to type something like easy 10-minute recipes or easy recipes just in general. That will make it easier for you to find recipes that are easy to make.
You may notice that a lot of the sites that you find will be difficult to navigate or have too many ads. Also, they may seem a little dangerous, like they may give you a virus. So, it's important for you to find a safe one. One that we recommend is All Recipes. We recommend All Recipes as it is an easy website to navigate and it's great for beginners. It also has a cool search bar feature at the top where you can search for specific recipes or you can input an ingredient that you have and it'll give you recipes that you can make using the one ingredient you have. For example, here I put avocado and it gave me a bunch of recipes that consist of avocado. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make something new and how to find new recipes. Please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.